Primetime news this evening. Flawed approach. Prime Minister dismisses opposition's plan for pensioners in budget. Jamaicans left satisfied after legendary footballer Lionel Messi graces the National Stadium. And a long-serving ambassador sworn in as government's 13th senator on Friday.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. And with a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, I tell you what, the government is urging farmers and other players in the agriculture sector to consider digital platforms to increase earnings. I'll tell you the details in the financial week.
And to tell us a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Spencer Darlington. I have a feeling it may relate to a particular sport. I won't say.
It is. Thank you, Gio. Well, several ticket holders were left disgruntled after they were unable to get into the National Stadium last night to see the great Lionel Messi. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And guess what we're asking this evening? What are your thoughts on the outcome of Inter Miami versus Cavalier at the National Stadium yesterday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Certainly looking forward to those responses. I know how I felt. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.